To unhide a hidden app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra so that the app will be displayed again on the app screen. To do so, go to the app screen, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap hide apps on home and app screen. Here you can see that all hidden apps are listed under hidden app section. Tap the hidden app you like to unhide, and then tap done button. To see the result, go to the app screen, and then find the app you unhide. As you can see, the app is now displayed again on the app screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.